You have right to perform your prescribed duties, but you are not entitled to the fruits of your actions. Never consider yourself to be the cause of the results of your activities, nor be attached to inactio. O descendant of Bharat, whenever there is decline in religiosity and increase in irreligion, I descend in this world. Learn the truth by approaching a spiritual master, inquire from him with reverence, and render service unto him. Such an enlightened saint can impart knowledge unto you because he has seen the truth. O Krishna, the mind is very unsteady, turbulent, and obstinate. It seems to me that it is more difficult to control than the wind. Sri Krishna said, O son of Kunti, the mind is undoubtedly restless and difficult to curb, but it can be controlled by repeated practice and detachment. Therefore, Arjun, always think of me and do your duty. With mind and intellect dedicated to me, you will doubtless come to me. Those who worship me with their minds fixed lovingly on me alone, to them I give what they lack and preserve what they have. If someone offers to me with devotion a leaf, a flower, a fruit, or water, I accept it. Always think of me, be devoted to me, worship me, and offer your homage to me. Doing so, you will come to me. I promise you this because you are very dear to me. Abandon all varieties of religiosity and simply surrender unto me. I shall absolve you of all sins. Do not fear.